Subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon for latest updates. Hey guys, it's Vinamra here from the Fountain Pen Guy, and today I will be showing you how to install a flare cartridge into a flare fountain pen. So let's start going. And I have the flare pen over here. So this is the flare inky pen I have, and this is a cartridge. So the flare inky pen only accepts a cartridge, which is the proprietary cartridges of flare, and cartridges are an easy to convenient way to get going started with your fountain pen in the beginner level as a newbie. So I will be showing how should you get into, and this cartridge is only available for the flare pens. You can insert this cartridge into any of the proprietary flare pens, and also some of the pens like the Luxure fountain pen or the Cello or the Reynolds fountain pen. So although flare tells that these are proprietary cartridges for flare only, but these are typically like the standard international cartridges for other pens also. So one disadvantage is that this pen isn't a demonstrator pen like the Lamy Vista, or it isn't a transparent pen. So I will not be able to show you exactly what happens, but still we can try our level best that I'll show you how should it get going. So this is the flare cartridge. Yeah, this is the flare extra large cartridge, flare inky. Yeah. So we'll be putting this, and I've unscrewed now. I've removed the cap, and this is how my pen looks. So we'll unscrew the barrel, the body of the pen, and now this is what we get in the beginning. However, you guys can see there's a little bit of ink in the feed section. This is because I've put at least 5 cartridges before putting this cartridge. I've used so many of the cartridges for the reviews and writing samples and many of the stuff. So cartridge is a very easy to convenient way to get going, and you can just put it and you can just write on, and it happens from the cartridges here, and because of the feed, the ink goes into the feed and then it comes to the nib, and then through capillary action you can start writing. So it's a very easy and a simple way. Nothing to worry. You don't need ink bottle or the converter or something like that. Just let's start going. So there is something like a ball type of thing in the cartridge. So this ball is basically the sealing ball, which is used in all cartridges almost, so that the ink in the cartridge does not come out. Cartridges are, however, not a good way basically, because you just have a proprietary selection of ink. You cannot use bottle ink or the ink choice which you want, and in this case there are only 2 colors which are available for flare pens, which is the black and the blue colors. So again, that is a disadvantage of cartridge, so keep in mind and then start using the cartridge. Let's get start going. So once we push this into the feed, the ball which will be there now, the ball will automatically push into the cartridge. So that is the action which takes place. And yeah, so what we'll do is we'll put the cartridge inside. Then what we'll do is we'll try from one of our finger, we'll just try to push it in a hard way. We'll push, and there was some noise made while pushing the cartridge inside. So when the noise is made, or when the cartridge is completely inside, you can understand that the cartridge has gone inside. So when the cartridge went inside, there was a little bit of ink which also went inside. So before, the amount of ink in the feed was very less, but now after the cartridge went inside, the amount of ink was very high. It gone. Then we'll again put the barrel and we'll put the cap. It may take a little bit of time if you are if you have a new fountain pen and you're putting the cartridge the first time into the fountain pen, but no need to worry. You just need to put your pen upside down, and the cartridge ink will slowly draw, but you want a super fast action, you don't want to take time for the simple action, what you do is you just press it. The However, the cartridge is made up of plastic, so it's a little bit hard, but you just try to press the cartridge. Basically over here, try to press the cartridge, so a little bit of ink will go into the feed. Yeah, yeah, so then it may start working, so that's a advantage. Yeah, now let's get start going. We'll take a writing sample of the pen. So this is what, so if the ink doesn't draws out very fast, you don't need to worry about it, nothing will be an issue. Just give it some time and it would automatically start going. I have the same simple paper over here. To make it more simpler, we'll just take a writing sample about how is it working. So through the capillary action, basically this process is being take place. We'll write flare. Dairy blue. Yeah, so we are now get to go and we are done with this, and we'll just put it back, and yeah, that's it. So this is a very easy to way use, and you guys should just try it out. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up, and I hope this was a helpful video for you guys to understand the function, the way cartridge performs, and how should you put a cartridge inside a Flair fountain pen or any other fountain pen. Keep in mind that this cartridge is specifically for the Flair fountain pens and some other fountain pens. You cannot use it for Platinum or Lamy. I would also mention the link of the fountain pen and the link of the cartridges down in the YouTube section of description. Do check them out, and do check out the cartridge, do check out the pen itself, and let me know about your reviews, about your views, about your opinions based on the pen. So this is Fountain Pen Guy over here signing off, and I hope to see you in my next one.